Welcome back everyone to another episode. This is Cooking with JJ, and as promised, I'm sharing with you what I came up with from visiting the Dufferin Grove Farmers Market. Of course, a plethora of ideas were ignited just by visiting the market, but I had to decide on just one meal. I was looking through my cupboard and I found some coconut cream. Immediately, a Thai flavor came to mind. So in this video, I'm going to be making a pink oyster mushroom steak with a Thai style sauce. I'm really excited about this recipe, and I'm sure you will be too if you try it out for yourself. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Here's the pink oyster mushroom I got from the Dufferin Grove Farmers Market. Also got some fresh garlic and some mustard greens.
First of all, I'm dicing up half of a yellow onion. I'm mincing up 1 large clove of garlic. If you have smaller cloves, you may need more. I'm dicing up 1 brown tomato that I got from the farmer's market. And I'm mincing up a couple of teaspoons of ginger. I'm juicing half of this lime here. I'm adding some oil in our hot pan and adding our pink oyster mushroom. I'm moving it around to ensure it gets coated. Add a bit of pepper and salt. And we're adding our diced onions to the pan. And I'm weighing it down with our cast iron lid. This will provide the effect we're going for. I've removed the lid to mix up our onions and flip over our pink oyster mushroom. I'm placing the lid back on and we'll cook it for a few more minutes.
Pink oyster mushrooms are considered tropical, but one can create the proper environment to grow these beauties. They're high in protein, fiber, contain B vitamins, iron, and it may surprise you to know that they're antifungal as well. Since they are fungi, they're also antibacterial and they have antioxidant properties. And if you ever visit Mexico or Indonesia, they can be found growing on hardwood trees.
Now I'm adding a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few pieces of our dried lemongrass, a couple of dried red chilies, and 3 dried lime leaves. And I'm adding our ginger and garlic. Add in the diced tomato. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. Mix things up in the pan. Now we're adding about a cup of coconut cream. lemon juice. The heat has been reduced to low and we're letting it simmer away. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm basting the pink oyster mushroom with our beautiful sauce. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander. Mix it gently into the sauce. I've turned off the heat now, but I'm popping the lid on for a couple of minutes while we prepare our garnish. I'm slicing up some green onion, slicing up some basil, and slicing up some cilantro. I'm zesting some lime here.
At the farmer's market, I picked up some mustard greens, a golden frill variety. These have a frise type texture, and they work quite well in a salad for a peppery touch or sauteed. The larger varieties have a bolder flavor in comparison to the baby varieties, and that's why a lot of people prefer to cook them. However, you can always mix in your favorite lettuce leaves and make it work for you. Mustard greens have cancer-fighting properties. They have vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A. With these mustard greens, I originally had planned to use them as a garnish, but as you can see in the end, I had enough garnish going on, so I simply enjoyed them in a salad afterwards.
Now it's time to plate everything, and I'm pairing this with rice. I'm adding a little bit of spicy Asian mayo to top this off. And I'm adding our cilantro, green onion, and our lime zest. And our fresh basil.
It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious Thai-inspired pink oyster mushroom dish, or pink oyster steak with a Thai flavor. And this is probably going to be the dish of the year, I'm not gonna lie. It really has that texture that will impress your non-veg friends. Mildly spiced, perfectly seasoned, has a nice balance with the flavors going on here. You got a beautiful aromatic flavor, a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness. The coconut milk just brings everything together and makes it so rich and delicious. So there you have it, everyone. This meal was inspired by visiting the Dufferin Grove Market, which takes place every Thursday from 3 to 7 in Dufferin Grove, of course. They have a great variety of vendors there. Of course, they have so many great veggies, fresh herbs. you name it. If you don't want to use maple syrup as a sweetener, another idea is to use pineapple juice. So if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. It's a free and easy way to support my channel, and I really appreciate all my subscribers, everyone who takes a second to like the video. And also, if you leave a comment down below, it helps spread my channel, gets my channel out there more so. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.